Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix connection error, network error, server error or connection lost error in skate game. So if you are getting connection lost error code 14780788408, failed to connect to EA services, please retry. Or if you are getting error code 852146987, failed to connect to EA services, please check your internet connection and try again. Or you are getting login queue error, we are working to get you skating in the order you connected. Hang tight and we will get you into San Juan as soon as we can. Or you are getting connection lost error 990104014, you have been disconnected from the server, please try to reconnect. Or you have been kicked from the server. So if you're getting this kind of error, so without wasting any time, here follow the fixes to solve all this kind of error. Now before following any of the fixes, first check the skate server status. You can go to this EA website, and when you are on this EA website, here you can check the skate server status. Here you can see the skate server, it is showing online. So if it is offline, under maintenance or having outage, then in such case you can't do anything. You have to just wait for the skate servers to get back online and then you can launch the game and check. But in case if the server status is online and still you are facing the issue, then here follow the fixes. So the first fix is to reset internet connection. So what you have to do, in Windows search type cmd and run as administrator, click yes to allow. Now type this code one by one and hit enter. These codes are just to reset your internet connection, so you don't have to worry about it. And you can copy this code from my video description. I have provided this code in my video description. Copy paste code one by one and paste it into the command prompt and hit enter. Now you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset process. So close this command prompt, then click on Windows icon, and then click on power menu and then restart your device once. After your PC restart, then you can launch the skate game and check the error is fixed or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. If not, then Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Now click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Then click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder wherever you have installed the game. Open skate game folder. Then select the skate exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back. Now click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Then click on change settings. Then click on allow another app. Then click on browse. Now browse to the game installation wherever you have installed the game. Select this skate exe file and then click on open and then click on add. Now after adding it, make sure both private and public is tick marked. Then click on OK to save changes. And then you can launch the game and check if your error is fixed or not. If not, now if you are using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, then allow the game exe to your antivirus program as well. And then you can launch the game and check. Or you can also turn off your antivirus program for a while, launch the game, and when you enter the game, then you can turn on your antivirus program. Now if still your problem is not solved, then verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on skate game and select properties, then go to install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification of the file has been completed, then you can launch the game and check. If you have the game on EA app, then open EA app, select skate game, then click on manage and then click on repair option. And after the repair has been completed, then you can launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes you were able to fix connection lost error, network error, server error, queue error in Squid Game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.